Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today the game we're playing is, well, as you've already seen in the video title, Hollow Head. It says it right there as well. It's an indie game, as always, made in Unity, as always, on itch.io, as always, and I'll leave a link in the description below for you to play, as always. And that's enough of me saying as always. I don't know anything about this, as always. Damn it! Sorry. It says, a good Samaritan decides to help a fellow man after hearing a scream in the apartment garbage chute. Alright, things don't seem the same as they used to in the hallways though. Okay, well, let's hit enter as it says there and let's just get on with it. What a horrible dream. I can't go back to sleep just yet. Okay. I'm assuming WASD. What's this? Can I click it? Oh, that's the light. Alright. What is this? At first I thought it was some kind of bed, but it obviously isn't. Is it the... Can I do anything? No. A laptop? That is a very old laptop. Look at it. Wow. Instantaneous open. Nice. Oh, look at the blue glow. Smurfy blue. Is that blood? But, well, I don't know. It looked like blood at first, but I don't think it is. Looks like we can go out. Where did all the city lights go? Don't know. We're going back in. Bugs flying around something. A very low poly cactus. This is obviously the light again. Let's turn it on. Something smells terrible. Someone's farted. Wow. They are the blockiest looking flies I've ever seen. There's the culprit. Better go take it out. What's a dinner? Okay, so we got trash. What the? Right, okay, so yeah, I remember it says something about a scream in the garbage chute. Where is it? I love the instantaneous doors. This is it. Did I just hear someone call for help? Sounds like it came from the garbage room. I better go downstairs to check it out. Hey. Okay, so we've got to go downstairs. Can I run? Ah, I can run, but what the hell happened there? Uh-oh. I don't know where that flashlight came from, but I need it right now. Okay, nice, fair, yep. I should seriously see what's going on in the garbage room. I don't want to. I want to go home. I want to go home! Ooh. Oh, right, okay. Sorry, yeah. I'm being stupid. Locked. I find that a bit weird, if I'm honest. I'm guessing this one's locked. No. Is this where I'm supposed to go then? Hang on, let me just move my keyboard. I'm getting myself a bit... Hang on. Sorry, guys. There we go. My hand was hurting. Dot, dot, dot. This flashlight's terrible. Whoa, wow, that made my eyes go funny. That didn't really make my eyes go funny. Oh, I can hear... Oh. Ah! What the smeg? Oh god. Right. Do I... Okay, let me compose myself. Wow. Yeah, that got me. I knew something like that was coming. I knew something like that was coming. I just couldn't help myself. Right, so it appears to be some kind of maze now. Either that or I'm just going around in circles. So, was that meant to happen, or did I just kind of die and respawn? Oh. Well, there's that again. Can I run away from it? I keep pressing E to open the door and it's the mouse button. Whoa! Okay, so I don't know how to get past this now. There's obviously a way I've got to do it. But I don't know the way. Is there only one of them things? Seriously. I mean... What? I don't get it. I'm gonna keep running this way. Go this way. Whoa. Oh! Oh! I mean, seriously, what? What is the trick to this? What is the trick to actually go in the right way? Oh, down here. Really? Seriously, that effect's making my eyes go funny. What is that noise? What? Is there more than one of them? There's gotta be, hasn't there? There's gotta be. Okay, so it was this way. This is down here. Yeah. Okay, and there's the bit that makes my eyes go funny. Oh, I didn't even stand a chance there. What the hell? What? Okay. So obviously this has become irritating now because that didn't even give me a chance. Right, so I can't go straight on. Okay, I'm going to try one last time now. One last time, and if I don't do it, I'm going to leave it to you guys to do it and then tell me how to do it. Because obviously I'm an idiot. I'm going to go left. Again! Wow! I have no words. Still not sure why it's called Hollow Head. Yeah. Alright, well that was Hollow Head. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to have a go, and why not? You may as well if you've got a spare couple of minutes. At least try and get past this bit. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thumbs down if you didn't, but let me know in the comments why you did not like it. I always like to know. Because developers put, you know, time and effort into these, and I think the feedback is always good for them. Hold on. I caught him. Oh. I think I've just done it. But it won't stop till you kill the monster inside. Alright, well, that's it. I actually did it. I was quite surprised there. So yeah, guys, that was Hollowhead. As I said, like, dislike, but let me know why. Link in description. I'll see you guys in whatever video I post after this. Thanks very much for watching, guys.